airdrops. This channel is always looking out for things that will benefit you and the best of everything for free. Always looking for things that is not gonna get you into the scam or it's not gonna get you into any type of or lure you into the business or taking money out of your pockets. No, everything in here is voluntarily for the people only, community for free. That's it. So you can build your portfolio, NFT, crypto, Wall3, anything you have, you build it for free. Very efficient, very smart. For the beginner, pretty much. Having said this, let's go to business. Today I want to actually introduce you ISKRA or ISKRA, like some other might say, airdrop. But before we go to what you need to do to earn this airdrop, because it's really simple and straightforward, let's talk about a little bit what ISKRA is about, and a little so you can learn a little bit from it. Where the future comes to play, ISKRA offers a premier destination for players, developers, and investors to explore the thrill and opportunity of Web3 gaming alongside a vibrant community. I really like this project. About ISKRA, we believe the future of gaming is on the blockchain. Ooh, this is really interesting. Creating exciting opportunity for players, developers, and investors. ISKRA aims to break ground in Web3 gaming and lead the way into a new generation of blockchain entertainment. They should reach this company, what's his name, Humble. Yeah, they actually dealing with blockchain, NFT, and Web3. I heard that they already launched. I think they are the first one to launch their Web3's page where you can search and do a lot of things in there. If you hearing me, ISKRA, reach the CEO for Humble. His name is Mr. Ryan Butts, I think it is. My apologies if I actually pronunciated his name wrong. He is a great man and he is very passionate for his work. He's working really hard building a company. Or if you, Ryan, if you're actually listening to ISKRA, you can actually talk and you can get something really good out of this partnership. Who knows? But it's really similar things that have been going on between these two companies. It's really cool. Their mission: ISKRA aims to be more than just a part of the Web3 future. We aim to mold it by creating a forward-thinking, dedicated home for Web3 gaming and giving every user a stake in our success. We'll become the leading platform for blockchain gaming, partnering with our entire community to build new opportunity for games together. Interesting. Celebrate community. We bring individuals and organizations together to celebrate each other's wins with a shared stake in the platform's success. I like what I'm hearing so far, reading so far. Open doors. ISKRA is a destination designed with seamless blockchain integration for everyone who loves gaming. Okay. Champion games. Gameplay matters to us, regardless of why they play or what type of game they play. Our community can trust that a fun gaming experience will always lead the way. Wow! This remind me, this section in here reminds me, you remember this movie called Ready Player One? When the monkey's there and the players, everything in there with the racing. It looks like something like that, right? It's really cool. Reward to play. We are the home of next gen Web3 gaming and crypto rewards. We empower developers to leverage blockchain and champion players who lift the community to new heights. Hmm. A lot of competition with this Web3 thing. Contact us. Please contact us if you have any questions or need our help. Alright. Frequent asked question. Let's see what the people have to ask on this. Well, we already know what ISKRA and what type of games. Okay. What type of games does ISKRA release? Our highly incentivized and engaged community offers scale and growth opportunity for the best game development talent to innovate Web3, therefore attracting everything from indie to blockbuster projects. But our game acquisition strategy is to first focus on the developers with a proven track record in gameplay, game balance, and service. Then we look at the possibility of tokenizing the game project and ensuring that the token economy is sustainable and will enhance the enjoyability of the game experience. We believe that the next generation of Web3 games need both enjoyability and sustainability for the benefit of our community. Interesting. Anyways, enough of getting to know more about the ISKRA company. Let's go exactly what you're here for. Now that we have a little bit of what ISKRA is about, this is the airdrop what you have been waiting for, ladies and gentlemen. ISKRA first community airdrop. $5,000 worth of ISK tokens dollars plus 1,500 USDT US dollar tokens. So we are happy to announce the first community airdrop in order to celebrate our successful fundraising. Price pool, we stated $5,000 of ISK dollars and $1,500 of USDT. $25 worth of ISK dollar for 200 randomly picked participants who will execute all mandatory tasks below, which I'm gonna go with it in a moment, which is really simple. This one is an easy game. This is an easy play, ladies and gentlemen. You can win very easily with this one. $25 USDT for 40 randomly picked referral who refer at least one new participant to ISKRA AirDrop Campaign. 500 USDT for the top 3 referral. First, $250. Second place, $150. And third place, $100. This is easy. First Explorer bonus, $25% more if the select winner has a first Explorer status on ISKRA Discord channel. Find more info in optional tasks below after execution of all mandatory tasks. Wow. USDT rewards will be distributed the first week after the campaign is ended. You actually have 11 days left on this one. ISK reward to your ISKRA wallet 1 week after our IEO or token listing. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask to their official Discord server. So these are the 8 ways that you can enter. You join join Discord. That'll give you a 1+ entry. Then you follow ISKRA or _, or on Twitter, which is self-explanatory. You can click in here, will take you straight there. You retweet at ISKRA _, on Twitter, self-explanatory. You subscribe on YouTube on ISKRA, and you create a wallet. Once you complete these 5 steps, these 3 more entries will unlocked, so you can actually take advantage of these one, which are seen is pretty simple as well. All right, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna leave it up to this point because I don't want to feed you up with too much intel and get you bored. But ISKRA first community airdrop is here to stay, ladies and gentlemen, and it's gonna be really challenging. It's a lot of people already doing it. Over 26,000 total entries so far. So take advantage of this. It's an easy play. It's not taking that much away from you. What you gotta lose? What do you have to lose? Nothing. And if you are one of the winners, congratulations. Just let me know how did you do. Please share with us down below in the remarks. If you participate, tell me, well, how was your experience? What did you learn? Did you like this project? Did you win? If you won, how much you actually got? If you want to share all that, please bring it on, and that way I could be able to tell if what I'm actually providing you through this channel is working and it's being seen by many of my followers and taking acceptance. I just want to actually analyze what will be the best path to take for all of you. But one thing is certain, everything I bring you is gonna be for free for yourself. Good luck until the next video. Thanks for reaching FDC4 production. Have a wonderful day.